All right, guys, so tonight we're doing KFC. So first, there's not that much different, but a few things. First off, I guess we'll start with these bacon, barbecue, and cheese. They're not really fries, they're like chipped potato, not chips, but I'll show you. They're like a chipped potato, I guess. These are actually pretty good. I prefer these to fries. Way better. Yeah, that sauce, the cheese sauce, the barbecue, it works well. And I wish they would bring these style of potatoes because I'm not the hugest fan of KFC fries back home, but these are delicious. So I got some hot wings just to try them, see how Spain's are. Not very hot. All right, so I got a couple strips. They're extra crunchy. Pretty similar to back home, but they got a fresh pepper dipping sauce. So that's why I wanted these, so I could dip something. Oh my God. It's so simple, but it's delicious. This pepper dipping sauce is amazing. They gotta get this to Canada. Oh yeah. Now this sauce is called Too Hot For You. We'll see. I can actually eat quite a bit of heat, so we'll see how this is. Okay, like, no, it's not that hot. Like I'll eat like raw jalapenos on a taco or a burger, so this is not, it's not very hot. It's good though, it's very tasty, but not spicy. Okay, so they got a lot of burgers, like big ones. You could double them, triple them, it's insane. But I just got a small version. It's a barbecue chicken and cheeseburger. We'll give her a go and see how it is. Holy, the barbecue sauce is heavy. Noah, if you're watching, you'd like this. All right, now these are unique to Spain, well, Europe at least, but maybe just Spain. They definitely don't have these in Canada. These are Emmental bites, so Emmental cheese bites. We'll give them a go. It's not gonna blow your socks off. If you've ever had an Emmental cheese, it's hot cheese. So, not bad. Probably would never order them again, but they're good. All right, then I got a corn on the cob, which I don't think we have in Canada. I don't go to KFC that much, but I do when I'm in the States. Because in the States, they have, what is that, extra tasty crispy or whatever. Love that. They bring it periodically to Canada. I don't know why they just won't leave it on the menu. I'd probably go to KFC a lot more if they just left it on the menu. Anyways, this is corn on the cob, which you can get in the States, but try it in Spain. Who knows, might be a little different. Oh my God, it's molten hot. Pretty good. It's got like that butter and stuff on it. I think the only thing wrong with it is they leave it in like a steamer drawer, so there's no like bite to it. It's kind of mushy, but I mean, if you like corn, you'll probably like this. Okay guys, so as we've seen already, waffles are kind of popular here if you watch my Burger King video. This is a Kit Kat drizzled waffle. So we'll get into this. Oh, good. And again, wooden spoons. Way to go, KFC Spain. We'll give this a little go. Very nice. Oh. All right, we'll give this a go. It's ooey gooey with busted up Kit Kat on top, and then whipped cream, but it's melting. That's all right. It's like 30 degrees out. That's a winner. Yep, definitely. Uber sweet. I probably would never order this again, but I'm not a fan of sweets, but it's really good. Yeah, that's a winner. And we might as well move on to the second dessert here. Just give me a sec. All right, so this is a creme ball, Kit Kat creme ball. It's basically ice cream with, you'll see these in, they had them in Amsterdam also. So I'm assuming it's all over Europe. They had them there in Amsterdam, pretty cool. I think they had a peanut butter one in Amsterdam though. This is kind of neat. Yeah, that's good. I mean, for what it is, soft serve ice cream with chocolate and Kit Kat. Yeah, that's good. All right, so that's gonna wrap up this video. I'm gonna finish this up. I don't throw it all in the garbage. I also don't eat the entire bunch, but I'll eat some more. Anyways, pretty good. Not a lot different here. I mean, how much can you do with chicken? But yeah, it's good. Highly recommend trying this pepper sauce. The potatoes with the barbecue, bacon, and cheese, really good. And the desserts, the phenomenal. Like, do we even have dessert? I think we have cheesecake in Canada, so these are pretty good. So anyways, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you in the next travel video.